Hello everyone, this is Andre with PBXDom and welcome to the Call Analytics Podcast. Before we get into our new feature, I want to tell you a little bit about PBXDom. PBXDom is a call analytics tool that helps businesses track and monitor what's happening within their phone communications systems. Think of it this way. Google Analytics is tracking, monitoring, and reporting related to marketing that you might have set up in your business today. But what comes after that? After the calls start coming in, after you start getting customers? Do you keep tracking that information? That is where PBXDom comes in. We'll help you manage your voice traffic, your productivity, and make sure your calls are properly routed so you don't miss any. You'll have all the reporting you need to make timely business decisions and make sure everything runs smoothly. We'll also provide you with alerts so that you know everything is working properly. All right, so in this episode, we are going to be talking about an exciting new feature, the customized advanced calls report widget. Previously, you could dive deeply into any of your calls using advanced call reports. You could set filters from a large variety of fields and create a very customized and detailed report. Many of you have been asking for advanced call reports with all your filters saved and the customization available on your dashboard. Well, we were listening and we created a new widget, the customized advanced call report widget. Now I want to walk you through the setup of the customized advanced call report widget and give you some examples. All right, first let's go to the report section. At the top of the screen, you'll see arrow number 1. Then after that, you're gonna go down and you'll click on Advanced Calls Report. You'll see that's arrow number 2. All right, now that we're on the Advanced Calls Report screen, let's go to arrow number 1, and you can add date ranges, add department, and add site if you would like. After that, we're going to move over to arrow number 2, and we're going to add some extensions, 1005 and 1007 in this case. And then after that, we're going to click on arrow number 3 and create a report. Now we're on the Advanced Calls Report screen, and if all the information looks good, you can hit on that Add to Dashboard button right above the Create Report button. All right, so if you want to add a relative date, which means the date will be rolling, you can enable the relative date button, and you can go over to the dashboard and select which dashboard you want it to go in by choosing the predefined dates. After that, we can enter in the columns. So choose which filters you would like to apply, and then below that, enter in the rows. Finally, we can click on that where you see arrow number 5 and add widget. Okay, now let's take a look and see how it looks on our dashboard. And voila, there it is sitting right next to all our other widgets, our customized advanced calls report widget. Okay, now I want to give you a couple more examples. In our first example, we want to filter for all incoming calls with extensions 500 and 509. And we're going to put a time limit starting at 9 a.m. to about 3 p.m. or 900 hours to 1500 hours. Okay, so first we're going to move over to the purple More button, and you're going to see that arrow there that says call type. We're going to select incoming. After that, we're going to go down to where it says extension and enter in our extensions of 500 and 509. Finally, we're going to enter in the time limit at 9 to 15. So now that we have our report, let's go up and click Add to Dashboard. All right, so now we're going to choose which dashboard we'd like to add it to. We can choose from our predefined dates. Then we're going to choose our filters. such as date, time, from, extension, duration, etc. And finally, we will hit the Add Widget button. And boom, there we go. Our widget is there on the dashboard. Now, let's customize the caption of our widget. We can do that by moving the cursor over to the three gears, the big gear and the two smaller gears right next to the trash bin right there. And we'll click on that and it will give us the option to update the caption. So let's put extension 500 and 509 status. After you've entered in your customized name, just click on Update Widget. And let's move on to example number 2. So for example number 2, we want to add a widget for all missed calls between 9 a.m. to 5 o'clock, or 900 hours to 1700 hours, with a number prefix of 42. The first thing we want to do is click on the reset button to reset our filters. Then we're going to go down to call type and enter in abandoned. Then go to caller phone and enter in 42 asterisk. The asterisk just means any number. So we're going to receive any number that began with 42. Then we'll add a time limit of 9 to 17, and that's it. All right, so that is it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I hope that you will find the new feature useful as well. Please feel free to shoot an email if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions. Also, if you have any comments about the podcast, we would love to hear them. Once again, this is Andre with PBXDom, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.